Hi Brian, this is Miss Jeannie. I'm going to go over today's lesson with you. Okay, so we're going to start the addition this week, and it's going to be going for a couple of weeks. We're going to go over it. And so today, let's see, you will be able to count on from numbers between 10 and 1,000. All right, so we're going to show you with adding with a number line and then adding with a hundreds chart. And then we're not going to do Brainzy, but you do have a homework assignment that includes counting on, and it'll be the front and the back one. Okay, so we are going to start with 25 plus 7 equals 32. So we're going to start with, this is the first number. Usually you pick the biggest number. So you pick the biggest number, and that's why I've got this little X right here. And then you take a counter, or you can take a finger, and you count 7 more, and you go up on a number line. You see how the numbers are getting bigger as it goes on? So you count up higher on the number line, right? So let's count 7. Starting from 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that'll lead us to 32. All right, let's do the next one. Let me get rid of this. All right, so see this? We're going to start at 36. So here's 35. One more is 36. So I'm going to put that marker right here on 36. Then I'm going to take this marker, or you can take your finger if you have a number line. We're going to add 11 more. Or you can always do, sometimes it's fun to do with tens if you know how to skip count by tens. So 10 more than 36 would be 46. And 10 plus 1 equals 11. So 10 plus 36 is 46. So that can go all the way up to here to 46. And then you just add one more, and that'll take you to 45, 46, 47. All right? Or you just want to keep on counting. We can just start with 36 and go up 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And that leads you to 40, 47. Okay. Next one, we start with 79. So 79 plus 15. Or if we're going to start doing with tens, you have 15 is also equal to 10 plus 5. So 10 on the top, 5 at the bottom. So you have 10 plus 5. So let's go from 79. 79 plus 10 is 89. So we'll go to 89. Let me put this, arrange in the back. There we go. So here's 79. We'll go up 10, which is 89. There's 89, and then 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which takes us to 94. Or if you want to count 15, count up to 15. So 79, start at 79, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, which takes us to 94. All right, here's a big number. All right, so we're not going to add by 10 because 7 is less than 10. So we're going to start with 355. So here's the marker at 355. And we're going to go up, remember, up the number line, which is the number is getting bigger. If you were going to do minus, you'd be going the other way where the numbers are getting smaller. But since we're adding, which means the number's going to get bigger. So we're going to add 7. So here we start at 355 and we're going to go up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that gets us right here to 362. All right, so we added with a number line. Now we're going to add with a hundreds chart. All right, so here's, again, we start with 25 and we're going to add 7. It's not like a number line where it goes straight across. It's a number line. It's not a number line. So we're going to have to go, I don't know if you ever played Snakes and Ladders, but you go at the end and then you go to the next line. It's kind of like how you read. Okay? So if when you're done with one line, you get down, and you go down to the next line, and you go across, and then you keep on going down to the next line. All right? So you start at 25, and you add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we land on 32, just like we did on the number line. All right, so here, next we have 36 plus 11. Okay, so 36 plus 11. So 36, you add 10, which is directly below it. It's 46. 10 plus 1 is 11. So here's 47. Okay, so this is 47. All right, same thing here. We start on 79. You can add 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 79 is 89, which is directly below it. And that's how the tens, when you skip count tens, it goes directly below it plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is on 94. All right. Well, I'm sure you get this. So the first, your assignment is on the first page in the math packet that was sent to you. So you do the front and the back, which is counting on from a certain point, and then you're done for math for today. So see you later, Brian.